Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today is a busy little session, short but mighty, because I am going to show you a little bit of journaling and then the latest Tiny Party Sugar and Sloth box I got yesterday, so I have to show you that, and then two really cute patches. So just stay. So I was just finishing up journaling for yesterday, Tuesday the 12th, and then this morning is Wednesday the 13th. I put down that little Wednesday sticker is from a friend of mine, Allyssa. She has a shop called, oh gosh, I just forgot the name, but I'll link it below, and she sells stickers, and those are from her. Little Things by Allyssa, something like that. She's a doll. This morning, after I dropped the kids off from school, I ran over to my parents' house to drop off this little lap desk that I had ordered on Amazon for my mom because she wanted something when she sits on the couch to cross stitch that would bring it up closer to her face. Like, that was weird. And so she didn't have to like hold her hands up in the air, and then that she could lay her pattern on and stuff. And this is perfect. It's so cute, and I think it would have so many uses. I can link the one that I found for her. Well, we looked together below on Amazon, but it's really cool, and I'm really glad that it worked for her. And then there was these cute little cross-stitch stickers that one of you have sent me. And then yesterday, when I got home from work, I had the nicest surprise. My friend Pam, Becca's mom, she sent me a card in the mail with this little masked mouse. It said, "Never too cute to be safe." And she found these patches from Chrissy Ann Designs at Michael's. And she said that she just thought of me when she saw them. So she sent them to me, and I show them to you later in the video. But how stinking sweet. And they are so funny. I don't know how I haven't seen them there before, but I absolutely love them. They couldn't be more perfect. She is like a crafter extraordinaire, and she loves to make cards. So I did the cardinal sin, and I kind of destroyed the card, but I wanted the mouse, and I wanted to put it in my journal to commemorate that. I got my COVID vaccination yesterday too, because I went a little bit early to see if they could squeeze me in so I didn't have to make a special trip today. And they were able to, so that was awesome, and I was so excited. Not just to not have to make a special trip into work this morning, but just, in the grand scheme of things, it just seems like such a huge accomplishment for the world, and I don't know, it's been a hard time, and it feels like this vaccination is like the culmination of a lot of hard work from everyone in the world, like working together towards something. So, I don't know, it just felt good to get it, and it filled me with a lot of hope. So, I used some of the stickers from my nursing sticker book, the Happy Planner Nurse book, and I put grateful for small things and big things. Very grateful for that yesterday. And a little celebrate sticker. Basically, I didn't have a lot to write about because it was just basically work yesterday and getting that shot, which was the big thing. So it is handy that Michael and I ended up getting ours on the same day because now we know exactly when we got them. But he got the Moderna one and I got the Pfizer one. So we'll see. We'll see if it's different. We both feel just fine. Our arms are sore. That's it. If you were curious. And then I just was using one of my Sarasa vintage color pens, and I was writing about my night at work. Pretty quiet and slow, but I loved it. And then I used a little bit of washi that one of you had sent me, and it said, "Oh, happy day," which was perfect. And then I'm adding hearts with my Crayola Super Tip markers. I am loving them, you guys. Absolutely loving them. And then I used my little shapes sticker book to just write about the little lap desk that I got my mom. It's so cute, and it's pink too. I think I'm going to get one for Addie for her birthday, just because I think that she would use it for so many things. And it was just fun and cute. So I don't know, it might be fun. And then
hold on to your butts, I'm about to self-promote.
I spent some time yesterday and today designing some things for my weasels. If you are new to this channel and you don't know about the greedy weasels, you can become a greedy weasel by joining up to support my channel for 99 cents a month, basically. And I do lives. I haven't in a while, but I am scheduling one for the end of this week, I believe. And then I like to do a lot of like little weasel stickers and Sasquatch stickers, stuff like that on Procreate. So I put those up for you for free in the Facebook group. So if you join, can do the Facebook group and have those. I also make them available on Redbubble. So, and basically what prompted this was the Facebook group is just so much fun. It's such a great community of people. We just love sharing about journals and planners and funny memes, and it's really been a source of joy in my life lately. So I wanted to tell you guys about it again in case you hadn't heard about it or you didn't know that there was a Facebook group and you are a greedy weasel. So you have to search us out and find us. I used a little Antiquarian. I think that's a weasel. I'm not sure. And then I used one of the little cats in that she was painting love with a little paint brush, which I thought was perfect. And, and I'm showing you how much I love my little tab from my leftovers of the lamination material. You guys, I'm obsessed with it. And then I love that Antiquarian zombie sticker. My kids are early out from school today, and it just, the zombie apocalypse of children reminded me of them early out. And then I'm showing you my Delphonics pouch with my adorable Chrissy Ann Designs patches. And I've been carrying my Delphonics around with my planner, and then my A6 I've been using as a goal planner. I haven't really talked to you guys about it, but I'm like time tracking and then tracking other stuff in there, and I really, really love it. And so I'm keeping some of my, the Tombos in there that I'm using for time tracking, and then just my planner and color coding stuff in there. Since it travels from my desk upstairs to downstairs, so it's been working perfectly. And my patches were just ace on that. I loved them. And then it's this month's Tiny Party Box. This is Anita Perry from Sugar and Sloth. She has a monthly subscription box, and it's the cutest thing ever, you guys. It is so reasonably priced, and it always makes me smile so much. So I'll link it down below. I'll link her website, but you gotta check it out. She is a just sweet, sweet, sweet woman. And this month was Enchanted Badgers. All of them are really funny. They're just so funny and cute. And the boxes are always different. So that's like the little thing that describes what's in the box and stuff. And then there is a little coupon code on there on the back. And then there was a little patch. Home is where the snacks are. Yes, that's definitely going on my Delphonics pouch. I think the back is going to be for patches and, well, pins, because I'm getting kind of full in the front. And then, so what else? Oh, there's a big vinyl, a sticker that said Majestically Awkward with a badger on it. A Majestically Awkward badger. And this is going to go straight into my pile of things that I will use for decorating one of my next journals or whatever. And then there's always like a postcard, and this is so funny. When I'm anxious, I do my power pose. My power pose is napping. I mean, it couldn't be more perfect. And then there's usually some kind of fun extra. This month there was like a calendar that you can label yourself. You could do a lot of different things with this. And I did get the idea. I saw Princess Honey on YouTube open hers up yesterday, and she said that she was going to laminate hers. That's a great idea. And then you could use like a reusable pen on it. And then the pin is the little Majestically Awkward badger. So you know that's going straight on my Delphonics pouch. Most of the pins, 99% of the pins you see on my Delphonics are from my Sugar and Sloth Tiny Party Box subscription. And I just thank you so much, Anita, for sending this to me. I did pay for it for a while, and then she started sending it to me because she's the sweetest person in the world. So I just want to be upfront with you that she sent it to me, but I love it. I absolutely love it. And we've never had washi in the boxes that I've gotten so far. And so there's a roll of washi tape and it's adorable. It's the little, the Badger and Pals and a little can of soup, which I thought was so funny. So I know this was kind of a random video full of things, but check out Anita Perry and Sugar and Sloth and make yourself smile. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.